Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that I found at Walmart on deep discount. These used to be like, I want to say like $4, maybe $5 each. One culture Taiwanese beef noodle. It's kind of, I've had Taiwanese beef noodle. It's kind of a national treasure of Taiwan, and I'm really curious how it translates to a US made microwavable version. So I guess we'll find out, right? So what's the deal? It says fill water to line, add in everything, microwave for 2 minutes on high, stir it, and then do 30 seconds more. That's not too incredibly involved. And yeah, so here's the noodles. It's a little pouch. Okay. Look like that. And slide out easily, come on. That. Get in there. Got like this weird almost alcohol scent to them. That's really standard with these fresh noodles. It's hard to describe. Huh, okay. Well, I'm planning on not making a mess, but I can't guarantee that that's going to be what goes down here. Are you kidding me? It's stuck to the inside of the package. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's all sticky. Maybe that's why they're on deep discount. I don't know, but oh yeah, it's had some age. I just got these the other day too. But I remember they just came out. This company like contacted me and they're like, "You wanna try them?" And I'm like, "Sure." That was it. A buddy of mine tried them and he said he liked them. So far I'm like, yeah, okay. But this is kind of, over time this happens. It's not really, it's kind of just a caking thing. And there are things, anti-caking agents that can be introduced to keep this from happening. But I've never seen one react this way with the packaging. That's kind of a bummer. Not a plus for the end user. Very sticky. Sticky! Messy. Yeah. Not beef noodle, huh? And then there's this sachet, which we'll see what it is. What we got here? We got a sauce, ladies and gentlemen. A thick sauce. Alright, and now we're gonna add to lime. A then you're supposed to use a fork and loosen the noodles. They're pretty loose as it is. But now they're looser. And they kind of stick in the fork in this phase of preparation. Alright, so I'm throwing it in the microwave. It looks nice, I'll give it that. 2 minutes. Two minutes and 80%. 80% on this is 1,000 watts. By the way, shout out to Gregory. I don't know. My daughter and I went to the thrift store today. Every once in a while we'll go over there. Let's see if I can find a new hat. Maybe some books for the kids. And I found this. I've had like 20 or 30 different copies over my life of this book, but I freaking love this. This is the old Sears catalog, and I'm hoping they've got the section with the drugs in it. I don't think they do. That sucks, because there was some weird stuff. We got sporting goods. The guns, right? Yeah. You can buy a baby buggy. Lots of pianos, lots of horns, lots of guns. Pocket watches. Ah, the Wadsworth Auto Action Pocket Watch. Oh, we might be getting into the drugs, because there's some really weird things they had in here. They had like these belts that were electric belts that you would put on, and it would shock you into health. There are ones that would say like, put the male part in through the loop. Like, that doesn't sound like fun. Yeah, this is the tame edition. This doesn't have any of that. But it's cool. It's a cool book. You can get your improved Lefevre hammerless gun, latest pattern, model of 1893. We make the price $43.10. There's like tons of weird old school stuff in here. Like you can basically buy a car. Oh, you can buy bikes. The bikes are cool. $34.90. Drive away your bicycle. So that's cool. You can always find these Sears Roebuck books laying around at thrift stores. Now it wants me to stir it and give it 30 more seconds. So it's been stirred. It's gonna get 30 more seconds, and it's boiling hot. It's I don't know. It's too hot. It's just too hot. But I'm gonna add some fun stuff to it, so hopefully it makes me happy. I think it will. It smells good. So, and it hasn't splattered all over the place. Food splattering all over the microwave. If it is, that'll become another swearing episode. But no food splattered all over the microwave. But it is freaking hot. Ooh. Ah! And my daughter's laughing at me. That is like unnecessarily boiling hot. Painfully hot. I'm gonna give it a try. Despite logic. Okay, so I'm gonna use one of these. Taiwanese beef noodle soup. No. It's not bad. It has a nice beef taste to it. But that is not. No. Not no. Actually, let me try the noodle too. La 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 la. I don't know. I really don't like music like this. Soft noodle. A little too soft for my taste. Throw in the rest of this beef. There, now it's beef noodle. And I've got some. I'm gonna throw in some of this tofu puff. Try it. Maybe not. Tofu puff is kind of getting rowdy. No. Yeah, this just doesn't belong. I'm just gonna eat it. And what really is bugging me now, the noodle to soup ratio is so far off that I was going to put in some chili crisp, but there's really not a whole heck of a lot of point. I could put it on top of some mung bean sprouts. So I'm going to put right there. And that's about as authentic to beef noodle soup as throwing ravioli in it, but it is floating my boat. So, and some spring onion. A lot of spring onion. Some sesame seed. And the last thing I made, some spicy beef yakisoba, is sitting out there in the living room with my lovely daughter Miriam. Hopefully all in one spot, you know. I'm gonna put some of this chili crisp stuff on here. I'm gonna put it right here. It's got a nice taste to it. It's a lot of oil. I think it's probably like some of the worst stuff in the world for you, but as far as taste goes, it's pretty darn good. Anyways, this is kind of gussied up now, so let's get up close and personal. Maybe not that close. So, there. Yeah, Rotato, hit it. Alright, well cool. That was fun and it was pretty tasty, so yeah. Now we're gonna see how Mimi's faring with her beefy yakisoba. See if everything's all hell breaking loose. Are you even eating this?
Yeah.
Are you even eating it?
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Here, take a bite. Take a bite. Take a big bite.
Like this.
Okay. Looks like you're gonna harpoon it, but that's good. Take a bite. Ignore the TV. The TV's your enemy, not your friend. Okay, take a bite. You're getting there, kiddo. And she's eating noodles! Alright, well this has been Hans and this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Okay.
Have a good one!
Bye.